Jin Ho-eun is a South Korean actor. In 2024, he starred in Love in the Big City. In 2023, he starred in Maestra Strings of Truth. In 2022, he starred in Recipe for Farewell. The same year, he also played Revenge of Others. In 2021, he starred in Refill If Only. The same year, he also played Nevertheless. In 2020, he starred in 2020. In 2019, he starred in The Secret of Secret. The same year, he also played Beautiful Love, Wonderful Life, and To My Beautiful Ori. Imagination. In 2018, he starred in Your Imagination Becomes Reality. The same year, he also played Go Back Diary. In 2020, he worked in movie Ke Kangchi 2. The same year, he also worked in movie Dumb Hated Duo. Nam Yoon-su is a South Korean actor and model. In 2024, Nam played the main character of the South Korean boys' love BL and LGBTQ-related series Love in the Big City as Go Young, depicting the 10-year journey of young gay man learning about life and love through ups and downs in a conservative society while also trying to become a successful writer. Nam donated his kidney to his father on June 19, 2024. In 2022, Nam appeared in the SBS drama Today's Webtoon alongside Kim Se-jeong and Choi, which premiered in July. In 2021, Nam has joined Mnet's M Countdown as a host with GDL's Mian. Nam then joined the drama Beyond Evil, which premiered in February on JTBC. Nam was also cast in KBS2 drama The King's Affection, which premiered in October. In 2019, Nam made a special appearance in the web drama Refill and participated in the web drama I'm Not a Robot. In 2020, Nam appeared in the web drama The Temperature of Language, Hour 19. Later, Nam appeared in the Netflix series Extracurricular, which led him to gain in recognition, and he was nominated for the Best New Actor Television in the 57 Baeksang Arts Awards through the series. Nam then appeared in the short film Live Your Strength with Bae Suji and later appeared in TV and drama Birth Care Center.